Here we have the new Milwaukee multi-tool, another 12-volt innovation. Runs off a 12-volt lithium-ion regular capacity or an extra capacity battery. This line here has been the most impressive, highest selling tool here at Walters as far as a power tool goes. With the availability of your 12 different speeds here, your 12 different adjustments, you have tool control. So let's say you want to do a plunge cut right straight into a piece of wood, nice and slow. You can just go ahead and get that done. See there? Oftentimes you need to just plunge straight into a piece of wood. Very handy. Anything you got to do, you can get it done with the multi-tool from Milwaukee.